Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of self-care? Well, today I've got a game-changing secret to share with you that will completely shift your perspective on self-care. Self-care is crucial for our overall well-being and happiness. It's not just about pampering yourself, it's about taking care of your mental, emotional, and physical health. Self-care is a term that has gained popularity in recent years, but what does it really mean? Is it just about taking bubble baths and getting massages? Or is there more to it than that? The truth is, self-care is about so much more than just pampering yourself. It's about taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being in order to live a happier and more fulfilling life. We all know self-care is important, but there's a secret to it that everyone needs to know. Ready to unlock it? Let's go. So beautiful people, we're going to uncover the secret to self-care that everyone needs to know. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or just plain tired about it, this secret might be just what you need to turn things around. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have a powerful new tool in your self-care arsenal. The myth of traditional self-care. First things first, let's bust a myth. Traditional self-care often gets confused with bubble baths, face masks, and splurging on spa days. While these are nice treats, they're just the tip of the iceberg. Sure, who doesn't love a good soak in the tub? But true self-care goes much deeper. The real secret, consistency. The real secret to effective self-care is, drumroll please, consistency. That's right, it's not about the occasional indulgence, but about integrating small, consistent habits into your daily routine. Think of self-care as a muscle that you need to work out regularly. Just like you wouldn't expect to build biceps by hitting the gym once a month, you can't expect to reap the benefits of self-care from sporadic one-off activities. Building consistent habits. 1. Morning routine. Start your day with intention. A simple morning routine can set a positive tone for the entire day. Hydrate. Begin with a glass of water. Stretch. A few minutes of stretching or yoga. Mindfulness. Spend 5 minutes meditating or journaling. 2. Mindful moments. Incorporate mindful moments throughout your day. It could be as simple as a few deep breaths or a quick walk outside. These small breaks help you stay centered and reduce stress. 3. Healthy boundaries. Set healthy boundaries to protect your time and energy. Learn to say no when you need to. This isn't selfish. It's necessary for maintaining your well-being. 4. Evening routine. Wind down with a calming evening routine. Disconnect from screens, read a book, or practice gratitude. Ending your day on a positive note helps ensure a restful sleep. Self-compassion. Remember, self-care isn't about perfection. It's about self-compassion. Be kind to yourself, especially on tough days. Forgive yourself for any slip-ups and get back on track without guilt. Personal story. Let me share a quick personal story. A few months ago, I was juggling work, family, and personal projects, feeling completely burnout. I realized I was neglecting consistent self-care. I started implementing small, consistent self-care habits. Slowly but surely, I noticed a huge improvement in my energy levels and overall happiness. In summary, so there you have it. The secret to self-care isn't about grand gestures, but about consistent, small habits that nurture your mind, body, and soul every day. One of the most important aspects of self-care is setting boundaries. This means learning to say no to things that don't serve you and prioritizing your own needs and desires. It's about recognizing when you need to take a step back and recharge, rather than pushing yourself to the point of burnout. Setting boundaries also means surrounding yourself with people who support and uplift you, rather than drain your energy. Another key aspect of self-care is practicing self-compassion. This means treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a friend. It's about being gentle with yourself when you make mistakes, and recognizing that you are only human. Self-compassion also involves letting go of perfectionism and unrealistic expectations and accepting yourself exactly as you are. Taking care of your physical health is also crucial to self-care. This means eating nutritious foods, getting enough sleep, and staying active. It's about listening to your body and giving it what it needs to thrive. Physical self-care also involves regular checkups with healthcare providers and seeking help when you need it. In addition to physical health, mental and emotional well-being are also important aspects of self-care. This means taking time to check in with yourself and process your thoughts and feelings. It's about practicing mindfulness and being present in the moment. Mental and emotional self-care also involves seeking therapy or counseling if needed, and finding healthy ways to cope with stress and difficult emotions. Self-care is not selfish, it's essential. Taking care of yourself allows you to show up as your best self in all areas of your life. It's about filling your own cup so that you have more to give to others. Self-care is a practice that requires intention and commitment, but the benefits are well worth the effort. So, what is the secret to self-care that everyone needs to know? It's that self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about prioritizing your own well-being and making yourself a priority. It's about setting boundaries, practicing self-compassion, and taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional health. Self-care is a lifelong journey, but it's one that can lead to a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. In conclusion, self-care is not a luxury. It's a vital part of maintaining a healthy and balanced life. By prioritizing self-care and incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine, you can experience significant improvements in your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. I encourage you to share your thoughts on self-care in the comments below. Try implementing the secret tip of mindfulness into your daily life and see the positive impact it can have. And don't forget to subscribe for more self-care content. Remember, you deserve to take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. And share your favorite self-care tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.